I'm Michael Outman.
And I'm Jacob Moreno.
And you're watching the Weekly Bulletin. The quote of the day was said by Will Rogers. Even if you're on the right track, you'll get run over if you just sit there.
Want to measure your strengths in vocational and career planning? The ASVAB is a multiple aptitude battery test that measures developed abilities and helps predict future academic and occupational success in the military and other careers. The test is administered to 10th, 11th, and 12th graders. The next test will be on Thursday, March 19th at 12:30 p.m. If you are interested in taking this test, stop by the College Career Center and sign up.
Do you want to play video games? Are you interested in gaming competitively with other high school students across the country? If you said yes to any of these questions, then join the eSports Club. Meetings are on Thursdays at lunch in Miss Sherfy's room, 527.
Drama Club meets every Tuesday at lunch in room 223.
Greece opens March 20th. Tickets are in the Student Payment Center, and it's $9 without ID, $8 with ASB, and all tickets at the door are $10.
The Mob Dance is this Saturday from 7 to 11 in the O'Donnell Gym. The theme is Fiesta, and the prices are $8 with ASB, $9 with ID, and $10 without an ID, and $15 for couples. Make sure to ask that special someone or go with a group of your friends. It is a Mob tradition to dress alike. Pictures by Van Zontes, photography starting at $35.
Good luck to our unified basketball team. They will be headed to play against North Salinas High School on Wednesday. Go Balers. Well, that looks like the end of today's bulletin.
Have a great day.
And remember, go Balers.